Happy 2025.
Teka, how come it's so long? What's this? My finger, sorry. Happy 2025. Ganun na itayo mo na, anak, so that hindi ka ahead. Make it go up straight. No, not like that. Not horizontal, vertical. Yan. Happy 2025. It's the year, this is our New Year's first dinner, and we are celebrating it for all the good things that God will give us for year 2025. Thank you, dear God.
My parents will get thin this year.
Porfi will
Be the best driver.
be the best driver there is.
And to find the
2025 will also be the time that he finds the right person for him, and what? And we believe, we declare that he will meet the person that will be his main love interest, and they will decide for their marriage this year. Okay.
Wow, who's that lucky girl?
And what else? It will be, but first and foremost, health, good health for our family, for Steve,
and
Evelyn,
and
and Luigi. Financial advancement and financial prosperity for our family this 2025. And first and foremost, good health, and living very long lives for the three of us. That's it.
Amen.
Amen. Okay, that's it.